guys, so I can't stay and talk too much, but today we have a maintenance detail on a client's Ford Edge. This client's been to me about 3 or 4 times now, so we always try our best to take care of her. Um, I'm working solo today. Rob called out, so I'm gonna just bust this one out by myself. It should only take me about 2.5 hours for the inside and out, so we'll catch up with you guys in a second. Alright guys, this is the Ford Edge. Like I said, it's never really too bad in here. This lady lives just up the street from me. She keeps her car fairly clean, has me detail it once about every 3 to 4 months. I think the back is usually the worst part, honestly. Puts all her groceries back here, puts her dog back here. There's some mulch, I think, from her plants in her garden. Carpeted wheel wells, so those are a little bit of a pain in the ass, but not really too bad. I don't think she does very much driving. Yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a second. I don't think I mentioned it in the previous clip, but the last time I detailed this vehicle, it was polished and ceramic coated, so that's kind of why it's fairly easy to wash. We're about 8 months into a 1-year coating, and it's still beating up pretty well. I'm still gonna clay bar it again and then hit it with like a topper. just to kind of rejuvenate the coating. Alright, so final results on this customer's Ford Edge. Show you the inside really quick. There wasn't a whole lot to do, as always. Just a quick wipe down vacuum. Leather protection, leather cleaning, full exterior wash. I'm gonna put this stuff in a personal item bag. But yeah, those are the end results, guys. And this one will probably be Tuesday's video instead of Saturday's video because I skipped uploads today. Got some other stuff going on, so this will most likely be Tuesday's upload. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day.